Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to delete all call history on the Truecaller app, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Truecaller app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Truecaller app, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a 3 dots icon. This is the menu button. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 3 in the menu that appears until you find the option that says Delete All Calls. This option allows you to clear your entire call history at once. Step 4 finally, tap on the Delete All Calls option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Just tap Delete again to confirm. And that's it. Your call history is now completely erased. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.